Hey Jammers, Tigers here, and I'm back with another video. And I'm here with Candy Cane again. And I have two gifts, and I'm gonna open them. And right now I'm gonna do one of those. I'm gonna do another random quick mail time, like I did for my other ones. So yeah, let's see. Eclipses. Ooh, thank you. Ooh, thank you. Thank you so much. I will reply to oh my god. Candy Cane says it's really beta and rare and oh my god. I'm closing my eyes. Let's see what it is. Wow! What a troll! What a troll! Oh my god, what a troll. That is like one of the best trolls ever. OMG. That was really funny. Oh Lord. Ever by Candy Cane. She said it's super beta and rare, and I'm like, oh my god, what could it be? And then I open it, and it's a necklace. Did I accept it? Hopefully I did. Yeah, I did. Okay, good. Did you want these? Sure. Yeah, thanks. I mean, I don't think there's any. But yeah. Random quick mail time. And we're only in 2 minutes. Wow. Another Jag, jeez. But yeah. Best troll ever. That's nice, but okay. Anyways, best troll ever by Candy Cane. She must have an award. I'm gonna gift her something back. And it's gonna be a troll back. Okay, here, LOL, that was the best gift ever. I'm actually serious. This is really beta. I swear, I'm actually serious. This is really beta. We're gonna send her back glasses. No, wait. What should we send her? We're sending her a chicken hat. Right. We'll see how she reacts when. Oh, Enderlord. By the way, you should go follow her on Flipagram. She has a Flipagram account. It's awesome. I'm following her. We're awesome friends. And yes, yeah, go follow her. What alphabets do you want, my friend? Will let me. I will replace. I don't know. I like purple, but I don't think there are. I like this. There are purple ones. I don't know. I like purple, but I don't think there are purple ones. I don't really know. So yeah. Give me beta if lucky you will get a spike. Oh, really? What a scam. Oh, wait, actually, no. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I judged you too soon. I am sorry. It's okay. I am sorry. You actually do have one. What do you have on trade? I feel like trading right now for some reason. I just feel like trading. Just trading. But I'm not, but I don't play the game like other people. Like, I feel like some people, I don't know. I feel like some people play for rares and just like get rare and stuff. And yeah, of course, I'll log in a little there. But yeah, I feel. Are you serious? Let's get this. Oh my god. Let's get this over with, please. Oh, let's go. You may not see that. That's why I'm flashing. Woo, back and forth. See those ads popping up? They suck. I don't like them. I'm probably not even posting this video. If you hack me, I will find you. Just saying. I don't know. I don't know what color. I seriously have no idea. Please let me go. But I don't know. I don't know how you spell. I don't know. Oh my gosh. But I don't know. Put them on trade. Oh, I'll see. Oh my god. What for your red Jamalade? Go. Well, for your Jamalade bow, I traded mine away. I seriously. Dang. It's okay though. That's fine, you know. I mean, I can find some other person, right? Yeah. But yeah. I accidentally traded mine away. Well, not really accidentally, because I actually meant it. Sorry. I don't know. I don't know. Just like torture. I'm kidding. Okay. Well, I gotta go. I actually haven't done my homework yet, so I'm gonna go do that after this video. I gotta go do my homework. I'll be back, guys. But before I do this, I'm gonna say, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And this was Tigers here, Candy Cane, and Reese's Nut here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I think I already said that probably. And yeah, this was Tigers, Reese's Nut, and Candy Cane here. And bye.